my name is Sharina Douglas and I'm from Bonya.
Hi, my name is Daylin Joe and I'm from Nokam.
Hi, my name is Rosina Hogan and I'm from Minyeri.
Hi, my name is Sharon Mahoney. I'm from Bonya.
Fred from Healthy Living NT visited our school and talked about ways we can think about living in a more healthy way.
Hi everyone, my name is Fred. I am the Health Promotion Manager at Healthy Living NT in Darwin. So I'm here at Yirara College in Alice Springs in the Northern Territory in the dead centre of Australia. And I'm here to deliver a program which we call simply Life Unit. For those of you who don't know Life Unit, it's based on a character named Norm. It was the original couch potato who was trying to get moving again and improve his life, become more active and healthy. So the primary purpose of this program is that we're delivering what we call foundation lifestyle knowledge to people. So that's the basic information on diet, physical activity, sleep, screen time, and other factors which can contribute to a healthier lifestyle.
I'm going to ask you guys 2 questions. So for example, the first question is water or Coke? If you prefer to drink water, I would like you to go to this side of the room. If you would prefer to drink Coke, I would like you to go to this side of the room.
What we're really trying to do with this program is we remove all of the really confusing diet and exercise fads are out in the world and give people that knowledge that empowers them to make their own healthy living decisions moving forward. So it makes life a little bit less confusing. So a couple of the things that we really try to emphasise in this program is we start off by introducing food groups to people. We teach them about what the food is and why our body needs them, and then we go on to talking a little bit about sugar and particularly the drinks that we put into our bodies. So one of the biggest outcomes from this program is when we start talking about sugary drinks. Okay, so a couple of the things that we really get out of this program, or our participants get out of this program, is we introduce the 5 food groups and why our body needs them, and we just help people to understand why they're important. But then we move on to sugar and what sugar does in our diet, and particularly sugary drinks. One of the activities that we do to highlight how much sugar in our drinks is we get the students or participants to put the amount of sugar into empty bottles of different types of drinks. So that might be soft drink, our flavoured milks, our energy drinks, or our sports drinks.
Nice. So most of the amount of sugar down there. So you put the card down and the bottle on top.
Juice, for example. At the end of the activity, we get everyone to line up and shake their bottles and see just how much sugar is in those bottles. It's always an eye-opening moment, and people can't believe that sometimes they're just drinking 25 to 30% sugar. This always encourages 1 or 2 or 3 participants to immediately change the drinks that they're having and go more to water, or to water down their juice or drinks or Coke or whatever. So I'd really like to say a massive thank you to Yirara College for inviting me out here today. I really love coming out to the schools and communities because it's just a great way of interacting with people outside of our regional, remote or central hubs. And I'm really looking forward to coming back next time I'm down to hopefully deliver some more education to the students. I'd really like to also say a massive thank you to the Northern Territory Government who funds my position and allows me to do this work, and also all the other community groups out there where we are invited to deliver education. Helps us to better understand our community, better understand the NT, and allows us to deliver a message of health beyond what we thought was originally possible with our own bubble in Darwin and Palmerston. So thank you very much.
NAIDOC Day is something we celebrate every year at Yirara. This year the theme is always will be.
Hello, my name is Christy Bloomfield. I'm a traditional owner of Mbantua, Central Aranda, Eastern Aranda, a Yirara woman from this region. Firstly, I'd like to acknowledge my mob, the Central Aranda people of Mbantua. Also acknowledge my elders, past and present, and our emerging leaders.
I turn to you and you are always there. In troubled times it's you I see. I put you first, that's all I...
Let's give him another hand. Spinifex will be singing more music during our lunch break. So when you get your lunch, come and sit down and listen to their awesome music. I now invite Mr. Shane, Mr. Daniel and Miss Moesha to share some words about NAIDOC.
Hello everyone. NAIDOC Week celebration are being held across Australia this week to celebrate the history, culture and achievements of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people.
Over the years, NAIDOC Week has evolved from a protest against Australia Day to a peaceful week-long celebration of Aboriginal people and their culture.
This year's theme always was and always will be encourages us to explore, learn about and appreciate the wealth and breadth of Indigenous nations.
Today, you will get a chance to join with a variety of activities that celebrate this rich culture. We hope you enjoy the day and we encourage you to participate in all activities.
I'm now very, very excited to invite Shade and Tyrone.
And the paddy wagon, probably cause something with no unit smashing. Then with the friends, the next day to the wagon. Then maybe wagon, with the pants wagon. Talk about this and that, looking at your friends, you wanna talk about. Don't be a copycat, was it real full of stumbles? Can't trust anybody these days, and let me get you in trouble. Go home now and hurry, stop making your mom and dad worry. In the cough chase, better tighten up your shoelace, get ready to own up to your mistakes. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Let's give it up again for Tyrone and Shade.
Yeah, so NAIDOC to me, I guess, look, having been born and raised in Alice Springs, I think growing up we were always taught respect your elders, respect the country and culture, and that we were taught growing up to remember always you're representing your elders in everything that you do. From our perspective, you know, this theme of always will be and always was Aboriginal land. We kind of reflect on our elders who have led the way for us to get us where we are today.
Ready? Sit. Good boy. Dukkha comes from the Middle East, but they've been using Australian saltbush and local seeds to make this dukkha. Now the way this dukkha works is you get a piece of bread, you dip it into the olive oil, and then you dip it into the dukkha, and it will give you that really salty, really nice taste, and make that plain downbite taste really good.
If you drink like 2 of them on the weekend when you go to town, you're drinking like 60 something, and that's almost half. That'll be half of that then.
Yeah, it's an honour to be here today to celebrate NAIDOC Week and to do the Welcome to Country here at Yirara. To see the activities where the kids are all being a part of the event, and it's great to see a lot of young Aboriginal students here participating in taking photos and all the activities as well. And I think as our next generation, as young leaders in Central Australia and throughout the Territory, it's awesome to see them all here gathering and taking part in the Yirara NAIDOC event.
Happy NAIDOC Day. Holla at me! Those are
In a quick look segment this week, Clontarf took a few of our middle school fellas to the bowling alley, where they had several friendly games with one another. did their best to try and beat Bombers High School.
As part of our craft activity this week, we were shown different ways to use nature around us to create beautiful art display. We worked together using native plants and flowers and sticking them to colored backgrounds.
Thanks for joining us. Next week we look forward to showing you our great swimming carnival. Be sure to like and share our stories on our Facebook, YouTube and Instagram pages. Bye!